to day 2 of this 100-day journey. My name is Trista Ainsworth, and I am a professional organizer with Joyful Minimalism. Today's journey is about accepting where you are on the path. And that means loving exactly where you are and as your environment is. You can know and trust that you are exactly where you need to be right now. That is the great thing, that we all are meant to be exactly where we are at this present moment in time. Know that if you accept your home exactly how it is, in the condition it's in, then that gives you a starting point to move forward. When you really love and appreciate what you truly have and really come to love it, then you can see some changes you might want to make to your home. For example, we had a couple of bathrooms that we still need to remodel. However, I decided to take care of them and really love them as they are. And then little by little, I've been making a few changes on my own, like painting the floor, or adding new decor such as a candle or a rug. In this way, I'm slowly changing things, but it started from a place of gratitude. My intention for you today is to look around you and not only accept where you are in the path, but accept your home and love it as it is. Find ways to be very thankful for it and take care of it. And then that will lead you on the steps forward that you need to take.